Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft and welcome to a very unplanned video. The reason I say that is I recently did a video at Mere Sands Wood Nature Reserve and I'm actually back and it's the day after. I spent 5 hours here yesterday and I really enjoyed it. I took lots of photos and I managed to get a photo of a kingfisher right at the very end, just as my battery was going flat. But I put it on Facebook and I just put a little comment underneath saying I've had a great time but I need a bigger lens. And one of my wildlife photographer friends spotted this and sent me a message and said, I've got an 80 to 400 millimeter lens that you can borrow. Wow. I immediately texted him back. I said, wow, that's just really good of you. So I went round today, collected the lens, had a right good chat with him, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to come straight back out. So I'm back at Mere Sands Wood Nature Reserve. I've no gimbal, I've no dead cat for my microphone or anything, so I hope you can hear me okay. But here is, this is the 80 to 400 millimeter Nikon lens. That is just a hood on the end, but it is still a big lens. That's it fully extended at 400 millimeters. So the plan is to go around again. The weather is amazing. The sun's just coming through the trees, as you can probably see if I just have a pan round. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, that's the plan. We're just going to have a wander around as we did yesterday, but this time with the 400 millimeter lens. So a huge thank you to Peter Smith, wildlife photographer extraordinaire. Really appreciate it, Peter, and hopefully I'll get some good images to report back with. Right, let's crack on. I managed to get a few photos today, which I'll show you in a second, using the new lens. Sadly didn't get a photo of the kingfisher again like I did yesterday, but just means I'll just have to come back another day. So here come the photos, take a look. Right, well, that brings us to the end of this video. It really was only a short video, but I really wanted to just show my appreciation to Peter Smith, who is the guy that's lent me this 80 to 400 millimeter lens. I just wanted to come out, just given I was so excited to try it. I'm sure I'm going to put it to a lot of good use and improve my wildlife photography no end. So I should be getting out a lot more with this lens, Peter, so thank you very much for that. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed that one, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, then please click on the subscribe button, which is just down below, or there's one at the end, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next episode, hopefully using this lens. So I hope you enjoyed that. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.